Hey friends. Hi. What's up guys? I'm doing makeup at this time of the night. Why? I don't know also. Pero I have some content to take. So, I just got home from work and I had school kanina. So, Lord, help me! Ngayon lang ako nagka-oras para gumawa ng content, guys. So, this is me. Hi, guys! Ah! Nahulog pa yung phone. Hi, guys! Sana hindi ka na mahulog, ano. Don't fall. What's up, guys? I'm gonna do my makeup. Just because I have to take content. I just got home from school and work. So, this is me. Gotta do what we gotta do, guys. What's up? How are you all? How's everyone? Hi, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start. Stress sa schoolwork. Oh my goodness, same, please. That's also me. Holy cow. What's that thing? Oh, this one, yung kakaspray ko lang sa mukha ko. This is the Alba. I don't know if I said it right. The Alba. It's spray serum. Yeah, it like keeps my skin hydrated. Hala. I look bad. Pero ginagamit ko siya as like a primer. But yeah, how are you guys? What is up with you guys? Napakalamig talaga. Ang aking aircon ay lumalamig. It's like primer. Hindi siya, honestly, I don't know what that is. I just use it as a primer and it works. It's my errand tonight. I have to take content kasi kakauwi ko lang galing work and school. Kaya, ngayon lang ako nagka-oras para gawin lahat ng to. Most painful piercing. Ito, kaya wala na siya. Kasi look at my ear. I have an earlock. Ang sipag mo naman, ate. Pahinga din. Guys, alam nyo ba? What's your workout routine? I'm so guilty. I haven't been working out. Like, please. Please don't call me out. I haven't been working out, guys. It's bad. Why haven't I been working out? Dahil napaka-basic ko kung hindi nyo lang alam. Pero April, babalik na rin ako! I swear. Wait, may tanong talaga akong ibang sinasagot kanina. Ay, nako, Jella. Yung ADHD ko. Guys, I bought this from Lucky Beauty. I was so happy when Blythe released this. Look at it. Oh! Hi, Gabby! I miss you! Look at that, guys. What? It's so pretty. I'm so proud of Blythe. Look at that. Bro! Miss ko na si Sunny and Kenji. Kung alam nyo lang. Miss ko na rin sila. I think, grabe yung neck muscles. That's so funny. I think I am muscular because I'm a dancer. So like, how much bili mo? So I found out today may sale. I bought it the other day. Or like 2 days ago. Sana naghintay ako, diba? But yeah, guys. Huwag niyo akong tularan. Be patient. Huwag niyo papansinin makeup ko dahil bara-bara lang to. Kasi nagmamadali ako. Favorite blush? Ang favorite blush ko actually is Makeup by Mario or Road. Yung Road cream brush. Sali ka PBB. Diyos ko Lord, kung alam niyo lang, no thank you, because my life has already been public since I was a kid, like being in a showbiz family, kaya okay na ako guys. Ayoko nang ipapublic pa yung buong buhay ko. Okay na ako guys. Artista na gusto mo makakolab sa dance, SB19 or SB19, specifically Ken, Susan, but all of them, like anyone from SB, I swear, or Ate Sarah Geronimo. That's the dream! Saan ko punta? Magte-take lang ako ng content talaga. Which lasts longer, Mario or Road? Mario. Road I use for like casual days. Mario is more like dance studio, you can reco na like affordable ang rates. Groove Central, that's where I go. If not GC, Zero Studio also is nice. Huwag niyong papansinin yung ano ko Sumayaw rin po ba kayo? Sumayaw rin ka po diba sa WOD? Yes. Last March 9. You're so pretty and talented. Thank you po. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm gonna cry. Recos naman sa top na babagay sa may mga broad shoulders. Huwag yung mga natatakpan yung dito because that makes you look wider. Like halter tops, sometimes be careful with that. If you have broad shoulders, like, don't wear tops na parang makakapal yung straps. That's what I noticed. At least with me. Like, if you wear sleeveless, make sure it's like thin sleeves, ganon. Room niyo po ba yan? Yes po. Collab with Bel Mariano, please. What do you mean collab? How is your relationship with Ate Main? Great. Me and Ate Main are alike, actually. Any message to AC? AC, get out of there. Please come back outside. I miss you. Help. You look like JK. Oh gosh. That's true. Nood po kayo sa May 31 SB. Alam niyo ba guys, gusto kong manood. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko yung traffic ng Philippine Arena talaga. Like, napaka-OA. Napaka-OA ng traffic doon. Height niyo po. Can you guess my height? As lang, you know how to speak Bisaya also. Marunong akong... I can understand fluently, but I can't speak. 5'6", close. 5'7", amazing. Yes, I am 5'7". Do I have a boyfriend? Do I have a boyfriend? Secret. Dance collab with Belle? Why not? If she wants. Why di ka nag-PBB, Jala? Yung buhay ko, I grew up na showbiz na po. Na parang my family is already in showbiz. So like, the only thing I have private is my life and things about myself. So parang, I don't feel the need to share that publicly. I'm okay with like doing these lives and posting TikToks about my life. Pero, hanggang dun lang po. Parang PBB is a lot for me. Though, respect po for the housemates and all of everyone who's done PBB. Because that's tough. Pero, yeah. Jala, do you miss AC? Because I do. Yes, I miss AC. She needs to get out of there right now. I miss her so much. Ikaw po yung nakita ko na sumasayaw sa WOD. Yes, that was me. I love you're my inspiration. Huwag niyo ako tularan, guys. Hindi ako nag-workout ngayon. BF mo si Santino. Nakabili ka ng ticket? Oh. No, hindi ako nakabila ng ticket. Pero, kasi nga, hindi ko alam if pupunta ako. Saan ako pupunta? Guys, magte-take lang ako ng content. Wala akong ibang oras para mag-take ng content. So, andito ako ngayon. Iiyak na. So, I'm here now. And I'm honestly sick right now, but do I have a choice? No. Sobrang kamukha mo pala si Kong Arjo. Yes, guys, actually, siya yung kambal ko. I'm not expecting sa voice mo. This is the first time I heard your voice. No way. I always vlog. Recently. Yung always talaga. Recently, I've been vlogging a lot. But inagaw si Tim kay Poch. Sino may sabi inagaw ko si Tim kay Poch? Walang agawan dito, boy. Yes, I still study. Yun nga po. So, I had school this morning. Tapos, after school, I had rehearsals for bench fashion kemerut. Yung bench body. Tapos, I thought super girly ng voice. Guys, hindi talaga ako girly. Ay! There is no girly in this building right here. Anyway, so I had rehearsals for Bench Fashion Week a while ago. And then after rehearsals for Bench Fashion Week, I had to go to, I had to fit for the ABS-CBN ball. So like, I had no time and this needs to be done. So, I have to finish this today. Bahala na si Batman. Basta, magawa ko lang to. Ay, Lord. Conch piercing. Hindi naman masakit yung conch piercing. I know, I'm gonna see SB19 in Bench Fashion Week. Pero sana, guys, I'm manifesting it. I hope, like, my goal that day, I hope, like, I get to take at least with one of them. Sana, I get to take, like, a video with them dancing to Damn. That would be a dream. A dream. But no, for real. Kasama po ba si Ate Min sa bench? Actually, I don't know. Usually she is, but I didn't see her name. And she wasn't at rehearsals today, so hindi ko po sure. Saan ka pupunta gabi na? Hindi po ako aalis. Kailangan ko lang mag-take ng content dahil wala akong oras. Gano'ng kasakit ang conch piercing? Siguro. Alin ba yung conch? Parang nalilito na ako sa mga names. Sorry. Piercing tour? Grabe naman. You want to see my ear? What are your subjects this term? So, I am fully loaded this term and I am on guys, my thesis defense is on Monday. Help me. I don't know if I'm gonna pass. I pray I pass. Yung center po yung conch. Eto? Tama ba? Super dance na ba si Colette? I think so. Sino po designer mo sa gown for ball? Inigo Villegas, one of my closest friends. What course are you taking? AB Communication Arts. Final defense na ba? Yes, this is my final defense. Good luck po sa defense. Thank you so much. I need that. I saw you in Lazare 3. Your nose is so tangos. Lazare 3. Lazare 3. Oh, the retreat! I got confused with Lazare and Sash. Really? Dami-daming tao dun. Diyos ko, Lord. I'm confident na kaya mo yung defense. Sana, guys. Sana. But my thesis was about High Street, guys. It's about the making of Philippine teleseries. O, diba? What's your concealer, NARS? I love you. Nadadagdagan confidence ko every time I see you. I love that. Wait, is that because I'm ugly? Like, bakit nadadagdagan? Saan ka po kayo bumibili ng earrings? So, I buy from like Penny Pairs, Shopee. Why are you doing your makeup? I have to take content. Diyos ko, Lord. What if pasok ka rin PBB? I'm okay. Grabe po, time management. Well, wala na ngang management sa time. Yun yung problema, guys. Anong shop po sa Shopee? Orphic! That's the name. Orphic. Ano yung trending ngayon na ice? Ano yun? What is that? Where are you going? Home. I'm just home. OMG, is it a solo thesis? No, I did it with my friends. Two people. Group kami. Diet tips you recommend? Work a lot. Like, not even work out. Work a lot. Do work and school at the same time. Mababaliw ka, papayat ka nang di mo napapansin. Nagtatanong lang, bakit sumisigaw? Ay, sorry, sumigaw ba ako? What did you ask? Sobrang triggered. Kasi, ayoko na. Ay, ano? You're not supposed to say the full or real name of the other apps. You'll get violation. Ay, talaga ba? Sorry. Kaya pala minsan. That makes sense. Thank you for that warning. ORPH, I see. Pero like, matagal na ako bumili dun. So, I don't know if it's still existent. Huwag niyong papansinin yung makeup ko, guys. Utang na loob. I am trying to survive here. Don't ask me how to put makeup. I saw a question. Hindi ka ba natatakot kapag mag-isa ka lang sa malaking room? Natatakot, kaya nga nagla-live ako eh. Joke lang. Hindi naman. Kasi mga kaibigan ko tayong multo dito. Nag-hi nga sila minsan sa live ko eh. Mamaya mag-hi yan. Found it na po, thank you. You're welcome, imaginary friends. Yeah, guys. You can't say orange app. So ano? What can I say? Sino po nasa likod mo? Ewan ko si Mengay. Diba ngayon mananakot kayong lahat? Ay, lakad ka po. Wala. With foundation. I'm not using foundation because I'm lazy. Kasi diba may mga taong takot sa malaking lugar, tapos meron naman takot sa masikip. Ako, I'm claustrophobic. So, takot ako sa, like, crowded areas. That's why I don't like going out, guys. As in, sobrang hirap na hirap ako. Pag, like, especially social events, my anxiety is like, woo! Through the roof. Wala akong lakad, guys. Kailangan ko lang mag-take ng content dahil wala akong ibang oras para gawin to. Kaya kailangan kong... Ay! How many piercings do you have? I have 8 here and 2 here. Huwag niyong papansinin ng aking makeup. Pakita ng dimples. I have been to Bacolod before, yes. Pero like matagal na yun. Ayaw ng mama sa crowded areas. Yeah, sobrang na-anxiety ako. Kaya nga nahirapan ako pag nanonood ako ng mga concert. Yung feeling ko, I get a panic attack. Taga Bacolod here. Ooh! I love your food. When did you realize na you like dancing? At what age? Bata pa lang ako, mahilig na akong like gumalaw-galaw eh. Makulit talaga ako eh. Pero dancing itself, I started dancing at like 13. Apparently guys, paborito ko ng bata ako, 8-8. At 2 years old, nag-8-8 na ako. Would you believe? Because Tito Bayani, Agbayani, is a very close friend of my parents. Have you secured tickets for sound? No, hindi ako nakabili ng tickets kasi hindi ko pa sure if makakanood ako. Diyala gabi na patulog na ako, may work ako bukas, ikaw nagme-makeup or ayos pa lang. Gusto ko na matulog, honestly, at magpahinga. Kaso wala akong, kailangan ko mag-take ng content, kailangan ko kumayod, kailangan ko ng pera. Wala akong ibang oras para gawin lahat ng to. Kami ni Ate Cherry meron ticket. Alam ko. Basta magde-decide ako pag malapit na yung concert kung manunood ako at maghahanap ako. Pag gusto niyo ako bentahan ng ticket, sabihan niyo lang ako. Pero pag malapit na. Kasi tingnan natin mga plano ko sa buhay kung Ang bait mo nung dito ka sa amin kumain tapos ang bida ka pamilya sa Iloilo. Saan po? Make for love. Bakit po wala ka sa PBB? Gusto niyo ako mag-PBB? Baka ikasira pa yun ang career ko, guys. Si Easy nga ngayon, nababash eh. Diyos ko, Lord. I saw you on a basketball game. What basketball game? Which one's this? Yung 8-8 po. 4-8. Bakit wala ka po sa GA? Ako ay, kuya tangka, kauwi ko lang galing work. At nagme-makeup ako dahil kailangan ko mag-take ng content. Wala na akong oras. So, I had school this morning, guys. Miss you, Tay! Oh my gosh. My cousin is watching and I miss her so much. Anyway, I had school at 8. No, yung 8. Nagising ako ng 8. Tapos, my school was 9 to 11. Tapos, pumunta ako after going to Taft, I went straight to Bench Fashion Week rehearsals. Which was really long, by the way. And it gave me so much anxiety. Kasi guys, dancer ako. So, pag nasa stage ako, malamang sanay ako sumayaw, diba? Hindi ako sanay maglakad. So, natatakot ako. Grabe yung anxiety ko. Lord! Pero okay lang kasi andun yung SB19. Kaya, hanapin ko talaga yung SB sa Bench Fashion Week. Kasi pag di ko sila nahanap doon, ako'y magwawala. Nagwala! And then, after Bench Fashion Week, I had to do a fitting for my for the ABS ball. Kaya, ayun. Kakauwi ko lang at kailangan ko pa mag-submit netong gagawin ko na to na content. Kaya, Are you okay, pop fan? No, I'm so sorry. I don't like music. I don't understand. But respect to them, napakahusay nilang performers. Di po ba sila kasama sa rehearsal? Sino? SB19. Wala sila ngayon eh. Today. I don't know. We have again tomorrow. So, sama ako sa bench. Meng! Ninakaw na ni mami yung tickets ko. Kaya, konti lang kasing binigay na tickets per, artist. Goodness. Nanonood ka ba ng PBB? Why, yes, I support my best friend. Parinig po ng Bisaya Lines. Naku, bigyan niyo ako ng Bisaya Lines. What's your skincare? Sa derma ko po. Hindi po ba kayo nag-try sa PBB? Hindi po. Do you have tats? No. Kasi yung parents ko, guys, hindi sila strict sa buhay ko. Ang kaisa-isang hinihiling nila sa akin, is wag ako magpa-tattoo. So, parang, yun na nga lang yung hinihingi nila sa akin. Ba't di ko pa ibigay, diba? Where are you going? Sa bahay, magte-take ako ng content, guys. Ano po masasabi mo kay Ate AC? Nothing. I don't want to join all that bashing. Bala kayo dyan. Basta AC's my friend and I believe that she is smart enough to know what she's doing. Kaya, go AC Bells. AC Bells. Content for what? Secret. Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin, diba? Marunong kang magbisaya. Marunong, pero bigyan nyo nga ako ng sasabihin. Kasi hindi ako basta-basta magsasabi. Baka mali pa. Sino BFF mo sa PBB? AC. And Ralph is also a close friend. Ambot sa Imaday. Basic. Pansinin mo naman ako. Ano yun? Gabi na. Ate Tess, hindi mo lang alam. Gusto ko na matulog. May kailangan lang akong isubmit. Ngayon lang ako nakauwi at wala nang oras. Wala nang ibang oras to do this. So here I am. Ay. Working student life. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. I can't wait for school to end, guys. Kung alam nyo lang. Kung alam nyo lang. Ayoko na maging estudyante. Tinry mo na rin ba pumasok ng PBB? No. I'm okay. Magkamukha kami ni Ate May. Napakalayo. Namamansin bang isang Jella? Ewan ko. College. Yes, I'm in college. I'm on my last term. What's your program? AB Communication Arts. Hero Makeup by Mario. Inggit ako sa katawan ni Jella. Bakit? Huwag kayong mainggit, guys. Bad yung naiinggit. Ang galing ni AC sa PBB. Bakit anong ginawa ni AC? I haven't been updated. Pa-wear kasi. Dito lang nga sa bahay. Guys, legit. I'm just gonna make content today. Kakauwi ko lang kasi. Kapag binigyan ka ng ticket for sa manonood ka. Of course! Guys, gusto ko nang matulog. Kung alam nyo lang, hindi ako nagbe-makeup para umarte. Hindi ako aalis. May kailangan akong isubmit. Kuya ba pamangkin mo? What do you mean? Like, lalaki? Yes. He's a boy. Pa-shout out. Ay, nawala. O, diba? Standing or sitting? Sa what time deadline mo? Basta masubmit ko na siya anytime soon. Ideally tonight or tomorrow morning. Basta after I take it, I have to edit. Girl version talaga ni Arjo pati pagsasalita. Talaga ba? Hindi ba yung pagsasalita ko mas parang si Ateria? Gawin mo yung ice trend, please. Hahanapin ko yung nagtag sa akin dun. Wait lang. Tatry ko gawin yun. Standing or sitting sa saw. Parang sitting, guys. Kasi as much as I want to party, hindi ko kaya yung crowd talaga, guys. As in, I have bad claustrophobia. So, pag ako natama-tamaan, Lord! This earring? Shucks. I don't remember. I think penny pairs. Sun errands, mami. Dito lang sa bahay. May kailangan lang talaga akong isubmit. Anong pang wallpaper? Alin? Anong pang wallpaper? Jella discusses PBB insights. Oy! Anong PBB insights? What do you mean? Wala akong insights. Bahala kayo dyan. Ayoko makigulo, please. Don't include me. Birthday. Happy birthday! What's your name? Happy birthday, Chabelan Mabunga. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Diyos ko, Lord. Pakagaling mo sumayaw. Thank you. Pa-shoutout rin po. I'm your fan since nung napanood kita sa senior high. Shoutout to you, Gem. You're a gem. Oh. Kamusta po experience niyo in Pasig City? It was fun, pero bitin kasi wala, nag-show lang kami tapos kumain. Though, masarap yung pagkain. Oh my gosh. Ay, natalsikan pa ako. Oh my gosh. Ay! Tumalsik yung... Pakagaling. Ang sarap ng food, guys. Like, hindi ako kumakain ng pork, pero ang sarap ng bok choy, boy. What the heck? District 1 QC. What's up? Sakit ng ngipin ko. Bakit masakit ngipin mo? Close ba kayo ni AC? AC is one of my best friends. Why? Gusto ko manood ng concert ng SB19, guys. Sa totoo lang. Kaso, hindi ko alam if kakayanin ko. Tinan nyo. Hindi ko alam if kakayanin ko talaga yung Philippine Arena traffic. Favorite color mo? Okay, before I say my favorite color, gusto ko kayong tanungin. Ano yung, like when you look at me, what color do you see? Yung parang aura na nakikita nyo. Purple, pink, black, yellow, glowing, purple, gray. Gray? Ang pangit talaga nung gray. Orange, pink. I love pink. Yellow, cream. I love cream. I love black, peach, green, blue, yellow. Huwag yellow, guys. Kasi, sa Poveda ako nag-high school, ilang years ako nagsuot ng yellow, lintik na yellow na yan. Kaya sawang-sawa na ako sa yellow. Magaling ba si Colette? Where? What do you mean? Ganda ng hika, where did you buy it? Guys, hindi ko alam saan na. Like, iba-iba kasing shops yung pinagbibilhan ko. So, I am so sorry. Brow. This is from Lucky Beauty. The brow, whatever. Hindi ako marunong magkilay. Crush mo ba si Brent? Paano ko naging crush si Brent? Saan yun nakukuha yun? Iba ang crush ko. Walaan nyo na lang. Bahala kayo dyan. Lipstick. Jungkook? Hindi talaga. So Latina. Actually, guys, I am kinda Latina. So, like, invento ng crush yan. Ken? No. May nakakuha. May nakakuha talaga. Pero hindi ko sasabihin. Hindi ko sasabihin sino nakakuha. Magaling ba sumayaw si Colette? Oo naman. Malahi ka po ba? Lahing bulldog tsaka shih tzu. Pwede ba yun? Halatang dancer. Pwede ba yun? Saan lakad mo? Hindi ako aalis. May kailangan lang akong i-submit. So, kailangan ko lang mag-makeup. Kakauwi ko lang galing school at work. Kaya, ito lang yung oras para gumawa ng content. Kaya ako'y nababaliw. May nakakuha talaga ng sagot. Ilang taon ka po nang nalaman mo na may claustrophobia ka? Actually, after the pandemic, dun siya nagsimula. Luigi, hindi talaga. Bala kayo dyan. issue kayo. Nagka-curl hair ka. River. Ibang Jella naman yung kay River, guys. Si AC crush nito. Ay! Best friend ko talaga yun. Pablo, Ken, hindi talaga. What's your workout routine? Hindi na nga ako nakaka-workout eh. Workout routine? Magtrabaho ng magtrabaho. What's your pet peeve? Rude ass people. Rude people. Jaff SB19, no. Idol ko silang lahat, guys. Pero hindi ko sila crush. Sneer. I think yes. Sneer is my crush. Ano po gamit niyo pang kilay? This is also Lucky Beauty. I love Lucky Beauty. Dream job nung kid pa lang. Pag-aartista. Ito yun. Kaya kahit pagod na pagod ako at gusto ko nang sumabog, hindi talaga si Ralph, girl, pumayat ka. How's your mom? Super love ko din mom mo. Si Andre o si Bogart? Gusto ko si Bogart. Yeah! Yung gumaganon siya. Sino si Kim Taeyong? Hindi ko nga yun kilala eh. Super ganda ng nails. Ashley. This is by Ashley Colette. BTS. Kim Taeyong? BTS? Real ba? Anong course nyo? Guess my course. Sa mga nakakaalam, huwag kayong sumagot. Pero yung mga di nakakaalam, guess my course. Sino si V? Sorry, wala akong alam. Nursing? Marketing? Pwede marketing, pero hindi. Psych. I would have loved to take psych. BS in Commerce. Ano yun? Law. Guys, alam nyo ba? Feeling ko kung di ako nag-artista, I would have tried law. That's a big statement. But for real. Or psych. AB communication. Good job. Yes, that is correct. Tumpak. Ganun. Masscom. Communication arts. Bawal long nails sa nursing. O, diba? Bisaya ka po. May halong Bisaya. Oo, Bisaya ako. May halong Bisaya. Grabe si Bogart ang nagwagi. Mahal ko si Bogart. Tsaka si Precious. Ni Esneer. Tawang-tawa ako kay Esneer, guys. I can't. Ano ba yan? Hindi ako marunong magkilay. Can you guys teach me? Nababaliw ako. Jella, asan si Fiang? Andun, kanina, sa rehearsals namin. Bala kayo dyan. Kayo maghanap. Nasa rehearsals. Piercing reveal. Blush po. The blush I used was, this is Makeup by Mario. San lakad mo, te? Wala akong lakad, men. Ay, mali. Mali pang brush gamit ko. Wala akong lakad. Kailangan ko lang mag-take ng content. Kaya please, ito lang yung oras kong mag-take ng content. And inaantok na ako, kaya ako, ano daw? Ano? May dulo muna pag magkilay, Jella. Ay, talaga ba? Ganun pa yun? Like you start from here until here? Real? Kanus aka mo balik sa nasipit? Hindi ko pa alam. Ako'y nababaliw. Ano po lipstick nyo, te? Wala pa akong lipstick na yun. But I think I'm gonna use my Rhode lip liner and then just... Ano yun? Tawag dun? Your face looks different. You're so pretty. What do you mean different? Guys, may mga nagtatanong talaga, if nagpagawa ako ng muka, wala talaga akong pinagawa, guys. Di ba pwedeng nag-mature lang yung itsura? Do you go sa gym? I will go back to the gym soon. But ganun, guys. Like, legit, ang daming nagtatanong. Nagpagawa ka? Nagpagawa ka? Like, unang-una, papatayin ako ng nanay ko pag magpagawa ko. I have nothing against people na nagpapagawa. Kaso, men, my mom is like, ayaw niya talagang i-touch ko yung face ko. So, no. Lenient na nga ng nanay ko sa akin. Hindi ko pa susundan siya ganun. Diyos ko, Lord. I mean, when you're on TV, maybe. Yeah, actually, guys, siguro depende sa makeup. Kasi minsan, pag sobrang dark yung makeup ko, nagmumukha ako masyadong matanda. Like, I noticed that also. And a lot of people agree with me and say that also. Kaya, ayun. Your house have 5 floors pala. Oo, pero it's not wide, ha? Like, baka akala nyo 5 floors tapos, like, wide. It's tall kasi it's narrow. Saan ka punta na ako? Sa bahay, kailangan ko lang mag-take ng content. For real. I just didn't have time. I haven't had time to take it, so here I am. You related with Belle? Yes, I am related to Belle Mariano. She is my distant cousin, like 3rd cousin. Ano pong diet mo? Magtrabaho ka at pumasok ka sa school, wala kang oras para kumain. I am telling you. Ano masasabi mo kay AC sa PBB? Daming issue. Ayoko sumali sa mga issue na yan. Kaibigan ko si AC. Huwag niyo akong inaano. Ay, ba't parang inaaway ako? Bida-bida pa talaga si AC. Bida-bida kayo. No. She's just super outgoing. Like, hi, Ate Prex. I think na may misinterpret lang si AC ngayon dahil she's super, like, makulit si AC eh. Ate Sweet! Do you do modeling? No! No, I don't model. That's why I died today. Nag-rehearse ako for Bench Fashion Week and gusto kong kainin ng lupa. Kasi sumasayaw ako on stage pero ayoko maglakad on stage. But ang payat mo na, hindi pa talaga. Where are you off to? I have to take content. Ako'y napapagod na. Gusto ko na matulog. I'm related to Belle through my dad's side. My dad's mom is related to Belle. So, yun nung pumunta ka sa, what? Ng Pasig. Oh. I like your bok choy there. Hindi ako kumakain ng pork, pero ang sarap ng bok choy nyo, man. Feeling ko pag dyan ako tumira, magiging bok choy ako. Saan school mo? Hulaan nyo nga school ko. Like, what school do I look like? Kung alam niyo yung school ko, syempre, huwag kayo sumagot, diba? Pero, where do you guys think I go to school? If you guys don't know. LaSalle. Ateneo or LaSalle. LaSalle, Admu. Ateneo. Are you excited na sa new house mo? Yes. And the run? Wow. Ate, diba you love sunflowers? Yes, I love sunflowers. UP, homeschool. I wish I was homeschooled. UP. Wow! Ang talino ko naman, UP. I'm from DLSU, De La Salle University. So, tama. San lakad, Jella? Ate Prex, wala akong lakad ngayon. Kakauwi ko lang galing sa work, galing sa rehearsals, tsaka sa fitting, tsaka sa school. Kaya ito ako. I have to take content. So, ayun, kailangan ko na isubmit tong content na to. So, 'di ba 11 PM may makeup? Sino ka dyan? Introvert? Ano yun? Introvert ka ba or extrovert? I'm an introvert. Okay, you guys might not believe me, but if you meet me, you will see it. Like, minsan na may misinterpret ako dahil hindi talaga ako marunong makipag-usap sa tao. Akala ko ikaw yung jowa ni River Joseph. Ibang Jella talaga yun, guys! Si Jella Alonte yun. Sabi na eh. What's your... Ganda ng piercing mo, girl. Thank you. You guys should get. You guys should really get. Ipapatattoo mo yung sunflower with my name? Real ba yan? Huy! What's your perfume? Iba-iba eh. Do you have own house na? Nor. At Jella, bagay sa'yo ang ganyang makeup. Guys, kung alam nyo lang, ayokong nagme-makeup. Kung pwede lang hindi ako mag-makeup sa TV, hindi na ako nag-makeup. Promise. Hindi talaga, mahilig ako sa makeup products, pero hindi ako mahilig mag-makeup. O, diba? Ang gulo! Ang gulo. Kamukhang-kamukha mo mama mo. Straight ka po ba? Yes. You have a BF? Yes, but you're so pretty even without makeup. Thank you. That is the goal. Pasaan ka po? Sa bahay lang, guys. Ay, natural eye color ko yan. Hindi ako nagko-contacts. I know the answer to that question. What question? Same kayo smile ni Kyle. So, sino nakamukha ko? Kanina si JK, si Kuya RJ, yung nanay ko, si Ate Rhea, si Ate Main. O, diba? Ngayon, si Kyle. If you have boyfriend. Your eyes from your mom. So malaki pala mata ko. Iza Calzado kamukha mo. That is the biggest compliment I have ever received in my life. Do you guys know that Ate Iza is my girl crush? I would love to be her. I would love to be an Isa Calzado. I would love to be like her. Have you been to Nasipit na? Yes. Size of your waistline. It ranges. It depends. When I'm bloated, I'm at 30 or 31. When I am, not, I'm at 28 or 29. I really like your moves when you dance. Thank you. Ano daw? Teka lang. Mas madali ba pag nagsushoot ka kasama mo mama mo sa senior high? Mas madali ba? Parang, medyo may pressure, pero pinapabayaan naman niya ako gawin kung anong gusto ko. Hindi naman siya parang nangingialam. I feel like kasi my family, we have this thing na di kami nangingialam sa isa't isa pagdating sa work. Unless like magtanong. Gets ba? Kasi it's already so like taxing and ang daming basta parang it's art kasi so we don't wanna dictate each other's stuff. Though I ask my mom a lot, nag-uusap pa ba kayo ni Blythe? Yes. Sad nga hindi ako nakapunta sa Lucky Beauty event eh. Akala ko dancer or artist ka, makeup artist ka rin pala. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-makeup, tinanin naman ako. Body care routine. Naguhugas lang ako ng katawan, guys. Hindi ako ma-arte sa mga ganun. Sa skincare lang ako ma-arte dahil I'm acne prone, so... My uncle, what is this? My uncle and your mom used to be friends when they were still in their teenage years and nasipit. Oh, cool! Lahat sila takot kay Arjo at Taide kapag sa mga palabas na scene. Si Kuya ay napakagaling. He is so freaking good. He is my idol. Kuya Arjo is my idol. I always say that out loud, loud and proud. Kuya Arjo is my idol. Yes, Kuya Arjo is a dancer, guys. Alam niyo ba, bago siya maging actor, he's the reason why I got into dancing. Kasi si Kuya Arjo used to dance in high school. Nagko-compete rin siya. So, at a reconciliation. Anong reconciliation? Huh? Yeah, he used to compete in high school. Tapos pinapanood namin siya, pamilya. Tagal po matapos ng makeup niya. Sorry na, nagdadaldal kasi ako. Kinakausap niyo ako, diba? Isang good night naman dyan, Ato Jels. Good night, guys, to those who were sleeping. Huwag niyo ako iwanan dito. Kausapin niyo pa ako. Teka lang. Matatapos na ako. Ito na talaga. Ice na lang, tsaka ano. Ice na lang, tsaka... mascara. Willing ako pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya for a while. Pero hindi ko kaya talaga yung matagal. Babaliw ako, guys. Kasi I like being alone. Sali po ba kayo sa HHI Philippines? Sasali ang legit. Kung sasali ako, abangan. Are you still with your dance group? Yes, I'm still with legit. May I see your nails? That's Russian Manicure by Ashley Colette. Saan ba punta mo? Kailangan ko mag-take ng content. This is Rare Beauty, anong tawag doon? Powder blush na I use it as highlight. How many dogs do you have? I have 8! Ano po lahi nyo? Can you guess? Oh my gosh, 444 viewers. I love angel numbers. Can you guess my lahi? May tinatake po ba kayo para mag-lose ng weight? No. Well, matcha helps me go to the banyo. Do you have any projects? Gusto ko ng umarte, guys. Wala pa akong in-line na project. So, I'm waiting. Hopefully. I really wanna... Spanish. Yes, I am Spanish. I really wanna act na again, guys. Sobrang miss na miss ko ng umarte. Like, I love dancing, but... I really wanna act. And learn so much more about it. I swear. May crush ka ba sa ABS? Secret. Sikretong malupit. Hulaan nyo na lang. Dream role mo sa isang series. Basta action. Ay. Saan ka pupunta? Wala akong pupuntahan. I just have to take content. Same time, but I'm 1/4 Spanish. Your acting is so good. Honestly, I don't know how to take that compliment because I have bad imposter syndrome and it's hard for me to believe that. Pero salamat. Maraming salamat. Highlight na ako, guys. Ano yung one-shot challenge? Rooting for you. Thank you so much. Tatry ko gawin yung ice trend. Yes, okay. Pero hanapin ko muna yan. TikTok dance soon with your brother. When he's free. My goodness. Good night, Katrina. Sleep well. This is Lucky Beauty. Pressed powder. Ay, pressed powder. Ano yun? Highlight. Pressed highlighter. Sorry. Ang aga nyo naman matulog. Pangarap mo rin ba maging versatile actress like your mom? Of course. Guys, bago ako maging dancer, gusto ko nang umarte, hindi nyo lang alam. Last dance class sa legit that I took? Class or training? Training was WOD. Watching from Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao. Ooh, I've never been there. Pumayat ka ng konti. Para kang si Elise Hoson. Alam niyo ba, ang daming nagsasabi nun. Pero hindi ko siya nakikita. I mean, I don't see it. In what way? Ano pong diet? Thank you po. Mas stress kayo ng mas stress. Yun talaga yun. Are you going to watch SB19 concert? I want to watch the SB19 concert. But I'll see. I will see. Tips on how to be confident in front of the camera. Don't treat the camera as eyes of a different, like, viewer. Like, wag mong iisipan na, I don't know how to explain. But I don't like posing for photos either. Like, hirap na hirap ako sa mga ganun. Pero yung mga ganito, okay lang. Ang dami mo palang kaloka-like. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, ay, tinan nyo, di marunong mag-curl. Teka, hindi ko makita yung lashes ko. Ang dami ko talagang kaloka-like, guys. Sino ba talaga? Thoughts kay sinong pumasok sa PBB house. I miss her. She has to get out of there and see me. Gusto kong sumugod sa bahay ni Kuya at kunin siya. Saan school mo? De La Salle University. Di po ako marunong mag-Ilonggo. Bisaya lang. Oh God! What am I doing? Will Arjun Main attend the Star Magic? The ABS ball? I'm not sure. Me and my siblings haven't been seeing each other, guys. Bakit parang mas ate si Lee Atayde kaysa kay Arjo Atayde kahit mas matanda siya? Siguro kasi mas mature palagi ang babae sa lalaki. I think. Wag mo naman palabasin si AC para makita ka. Bakit? Namimiss ko na nga siya eh. Wala akong kasama sumayaw sa ASAP aside from Ken and AC. Tapos kukunin pa si AC. Ano ba? Guys! I can't curl my lashes! Is AC a good friend? Of course. You think magkakaroon ako ng kaibigan na hindi mabait? Naku. Sundan mo na lang si AC. Okay lang talaga ako dito na lang ako sa outside world. I'm okay. Hindi ko kaya pumasok dun, guys. Baka ako'y mawala sa sarili. Real lang. Hindi dahil sa phone, ha? Hindi dahil dun. Pero, I need to have alone time. Like, wala silang alone time, guys. They do, pero it's not private. Like, alone. Like, secluded in one room. Alone. May pagka-introvert nga ako. So, ayun. Parang hindi ko kakayanin talaga. Though, it looks fun. Kasi, like, it's like daily sleepovers for months. Pero, parang nakakapagod rin. Ano ganap? Magte-take lang ako ng content, guys. Hindi ako aalis. Ya. Hindi ako aalis, guys. Dito lang ako. May kailangan lang akong isubmit na content. O, diba? Diba? I'm smudging it everywhere. Napakagaling. Napakagaling talaga. Sobrang love ng mami mo si Julia Montes. Sobrang love ko rin si Ate Julia. Oh, it's her birthday. Pero gabi na. Wala na akong ibang oras, guys, para kunan to. Utang na loob. What's your mascara? I tried Lucky Beauty. It's my first time to try Lucky Beauty. What can I say? Okay naman siya. Though I don't know if magsistay siya. Let's see. How's being Shakey's endorser? Diyos ko, I'm so freaking honored to be like an endorser for Shakey's. Kasi guys, kung alam niyo lang, like sobrang Shakey's is like a staple when we have events ng family ko. Yung mga, lalo na yung mga biglaan. Like, bili ng Shakey's. Tas, yung mom ko, favorite niya talaga yung Manager's Choice. Ako, favorite ko forever yung Pepperoni Crunch. Pepperoni Crunch is my OG. Hala. Turuan na lang kita mag-Ilonggo. Sige! Hi, Jalapop. Hi, Tito Mike. Masakit po ba yung tragus piercing? This one? No. That wasn't painful. What's your chair? I don't know, actually. Oh no, I put too much. Local makeup brand ko. Lucky Beauty, guys. Super ka naman when you performed in Okada. For bench. For Shakey's. What's your light? I'm using the Ricky mirror. Kumanta ka po. Ay, baka umulan. Wag na. Hindi talaga ako singer, kaya nga ako sumasayaw, diba? Lippy Reco. Guys, try niyo yung bagong Rode lip liners. My God, that's amazing. Worth it po ba ang Lucky Beauty? Ako, for me, it is. Though yung what's that called? Sabi mo gusto mo magsing nung in-interview ka. I wanna learn. Pero, I can't sing, guys. Kaya nga gusto ko matuto. Have you tried Issy? Oo naman, I've tried Issy, pero I like Lucky Beauty more. Though yung, what's that called? Yung mga skin tint and foundation. Parang the local brands don't really work well on me. Kasi, ako oily yung skin ko. So, kailangan yung mga parang silicone-based yung ginagamit sa akin. Hindi pwedeng water-based. Okay, I'm about to finish, guys. Nasa lips na ako. I'm gonna use let's use this. I haven't used this. Rode lip liner in the shade Lean. How do you feel nung naging tita ka? I was so happy. Teka lang, guys, I can't talk. Kamusta po pag-host? You really did great when hosting. Thank you. That was a lot, guys. As in, natuto ako because of Kuya Robbie Domingo. I love him so much. That wouldn't have been possible without Kuya Robbie. Where did you buy Rode products? Online. Lumampas talaga, Jella. Pero yeah, guys, hosting is so tiring. Especially as an introvert. Diyos ko. Hi, Pawi! I have requirements to submit pa, so this is me. What lippy? This is Rode lip liner. Sayon mo naman yung blink twice. It's too girly for me. I'll try. Bakit si Ria Atado parang 5'7" height niya kahit hindi siya naka-heels? At Ria is 5'5". I'm 5'7". I also miss High Street, as in, di nyo lang alam. We all wanna work together again. Super. I miss them so much. Like, miss na namin isa't isa. Sobrang gusto namin to work together again. Because work didn't feel like work, honestly. We were like in a playground. Just kids having fun acting. It was so fun. Marunong ka ba mag-Spanish? Mas marunong ako mag-Bisaya kaysa Spanish. This is Rode lip liner. And Rode lip liner in the shade Lean. And Rode Peptide Lip Tint, the brown one. Unti lang marunong ka. Yes. Unti lang marunong ako. Ganda ng makeup. Thank you. Hindi ako aalis. Kakauwi ko lang. Kailangan ko lang mag-take ng content. Okay, guys. I gotta go. Magte-take na ako ng content because I have to submit this and edit it pa. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Bye, guys. Thank you for accompanying me. Kung hindi baka nakatulog na ako. iTrend. Okay, I will try to do that. No, I'm so sorry. I would love to stay with you guys, but I have to take my content already. Good night, guys. I hope you guys have a good day tomorrow, and I hope you guys have good rest and sleep tonight. Good night. Bye-bye.